Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Cherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. It's the new JL body. Stock number 28473T. Gorgeous Jeep. The color name is Hella Yella. Super sharp. You got the all-terrain tires on it. 17-inch. Of course, here's your Rubicon badging across. Now this has got the 3.6 liter Pentastar motor in it with the 8-speed transmission. Love the hood on these. Jeep and your unlimited badging, your trail rated badging. Rubicon, top dog in the Wrangler world. There's your Rubicon badging in this black leather interior with the red stitching. Gorgeous. Does have the 3-piece Freedom hardtop, body colored. You got the 4C 7-inch display radio touchscreen. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual temperature control zones. Here's your sway bar disconnect, your axle lock. That's what separates Rubicon from the rest of them. Your leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Uconnect hands-free system, fog lamps, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. And I love the roll bars, how they painted the body color, so when you got the top off, it's really sporting. Somebody already had the seat down here. Of course, now you've got the rear backup camera. This has got the tow package on it. Plenty of cargo space. Rear wiper. Got the body colored fender flares as well. Gorgeous Wrangler Unlimited. Hella yellow in color. 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Here at Cherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.